This P0020 repairing video is dedicated to Audi's drivers. If your Audi is getting a P0020 error code, this video is going to show you two practical solutions to fix the error code at home. Use the OBD2 scanner to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0020. It indicates that the ECM has determined that the bank 2 intake camshaft oil control valve has an open or short circuit. Here are two of the most practical solutions to fix Audi's P0020 error code. Method A. Oil change. Locate the oil drain plug on your vehicle and place an oil collection pan underneath it. Use a socket ratchet to remove the plug from the oil pan on your vehicle. Once the plug is removed, the oil should start flowing out into your collection pan. Once all the oil is drained, replace the drain plug and tighten it back on. The oil filter is usually located beside the oil pan or under the hood of your vehicle near the engine. Place the collection pan under the filter. There would be oil in the filter itself that could be hot. So it is important that the oil goes into the collection pan. Spread a bit of fresh oil evenly on the new filter's gasket. Then install the new oil filter. Tighten the filter additional 3/4 of a turn. Be sure not to over-tighten. To fill the vehicle with fresh oil, you should first locate your oil fill cap at the top of the engine. Take the cap off. Place the funnel into the opening. Add the amount of oil specified in your owner's manual and then replace the cap. After the oil change, start the engine and let it run for a minute to bring your oil pressure up and recheck your oil level. To check oil levels, pull the dipstick out and clean it off. Replace the dipstick and pull it out again. The oil should be near the top dot or fill line. If it is close to the lower dot, you'll need to add more oil. If your oil levels are good, replace the dipstick and shut the hood. Place the used oil from your collection pan into an airtight container with a screw-on cap. Make sure the oil is cooled before transferring to the container. Used motor oil can be recycled at most auto stores or at recycling centers. Method B. The camshaft oil control valve. First, carefully remove the camshaft oil control valve from the engine. Use a valve cleaner to clean the camshaft oil control valve. Then use a multimeter to proceed with the test on the camshaft oil control valve. In ambient temperature of 68 degrees Fahrenheit, the valve resistance is between 6.9 ohms to 7.9 ohms. If you do not get a reading, this indicates that the camshaft oil control valve is faulty and needs to be replaced. So here are two of the most practical solutions to fix Audi's P0020 error code. After the repair, you can now use the OBD2 scanner to clear the error code and tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. To save more money on car expenses, buy an engine code scanner at the description link below, or check out the video here for more info. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.